Welcome to this lesson on the 12 English tenses. Let's go through them step by step with examples. We'll start with the present tenses. Simple present. I play soccer. We use this for habits and facts. Present continuous. I am playing soccer. This shows an action happening right now. Present perfect. I have played soccer. This is used when an action is finished, but the exact time is not important. Present perfect continuous. I have been playing soccer. This shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Next, the past tenses. Simple past. I played soccer. We use this for a completed action in the past. Past continuous. I was playing soccer. This describes something that was happening at a certain moment in the past. Past perfect. I had played soccer. This shows that one past action happened before another past action. Past perfect continuous. I had been playing soccer. This describes a longer action in the past that continued until another past event. Finally, the future tenses. Simple future. I will play soccer. This is used for future plans or predictions. Future continuous. I will be playing soccer. This shows an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Future perfect. I will have played soccer. This means the action will be completed before a certain future time. Future perfect continuous. I will have been playing soccer. This shows how long an action will have continued by a specific future point. So, all 12 tenses help us describe actions in different ways, whether they are habits, ongoing, finished, or continuing into the future. Mastering these tenses makes your English much clearer and more accurate. Subscribe Easy English with AI for more tips.